Hello, so I'm Rachel Norm and this is my Weebly website. This is just my homepage, just a little bit about the purpose of my website and why I created it. And over here we have the About Me page. And if you look at that, it's just a description of who I am right there. Some photos from different educational experiences that I had, and then a little bit about why I'm going into teaching, some favorite things that I have, and then if we go back up under the About Me, you can see my philosophy, and basically a summary of what I believe is that technology should be in the classroom, not as a crutch ever for the teacher or for the teacher to be replaced, but entirely for it to be meaningful for the students and their learning, both in the standards of ISTE and in the content standards of the core subjects. So that's all right in there with some more detail. If we go under Ed 346, we can look at first year goals. I just have some different apps and other websites that are really good to use in the classroom that I hope to use. Something that I specifically would like to use is the Explain Everything app, especially in math, because it allows the students to draw out their thinking and explain their thinking in real time as it's recorded and then it's sent to me. And I think that's just a really cool idea for the students to be able to do that. So if you go under digital assessments here, I made an assessment for Kahoot, and that is everything under that page. And then I have digital storytelling. We have 3 parts to this. We have a couple of videos. One is a stop motion video that I created, and one is a digital storytelling using stock photos about fall or harvest time. And then if you go back in, you'll see student created videos, and that has a video that I created about the water cycle using paper, just something simple that students would be able to do in the classroom as well. And then I also have a teacher created video. And what I did for that is I created a screencast video of how to add bookmarks when you are using Safari on the left side of the screen, just like that. And then if we go into digital repositories, we have just a few things. We have things about 21st century skills and SAMR, and I have an example here of Pixton, which was also in the first year goals, and this is an example of one that I made. And then I also have some more reading and other research that anyone would want to do using the buttons or the video. And then I also have a spot for coding where I have a few different resources in here. If you click the photos, it takes you to the websites. Just a few of those, and then there's also an article here that shows 20 different programming websites. And then another section is the Google section, and this is a form that I created with a corresponding map that goes with it. If you go under the YouTube playlists, it will open up all of the playlists that I've created under my school account. If you go under for virtual field trips, we have 2 things in here. First of all, we have a virtual reality where it takes you on a tour of a castle, and then there's also an app here for an AR experience of the night sky, showing constellations, planets, other galaxies, various things like that. And then our last section in here is reflections, and it's all based around this innovator's mindset by George Couros. And these two, this links to the Amazon section of where you can get the book, and this is to the Goodreads review page of everybody's reviews. And then I I have all of my reflections in here based on different chapters in the book and different activities we have done in class. So that is my Weebly website. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching.